Hello guys, in this video I will change handlebar of the Teverun Fighter, and then I will add some other stuff. Okay, so first off we will dismantle this, all of the parts and everything. Okay, let's go. Now I will show you the difference between the lights, the stock lights. This is the stock light. As you can see, it's like a round circle there, and this is the rechargeable LED bar that I put. The lights are more scattered and it's more clear. This LED bar light has 4 modes: high and low. There's high and low and a blinking mode. Also I will show you the horn that I installed, because the stock one is, this is the sound, it's coming from the back, so you cannot hear it in front like that. But the one I installed is this one. It's Fedhog horn. It's much louder than the stock horn for the Teverun. So this one, I prepared this one because it also has a alarm. You can set the alarm for the scooter. This is the remote. We'll put it, will alarm. That's it. And when you touch it, it will make a warning, and then when you touch it again, it will do the alarm. See? Now we unlock. That's it. So these are the upgrades. I don't know, it's not an upgrade, it's a modification, and I just wanted to change the first. I just wanted to change or make it different, the bracket of the TFT, because it's too low from the handle, and then this comes out in my mind. So that's it, that's my modification. And I also installed this, and it's common. I need to put the phone holder. So this is my setup for now. Thank you guys for watching.